I made these beautiful box braids for myself.
Hey besties, you are all welcome to this channel. If you're new on this channel, you are super duper welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, I love you so much. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share. If you've not clicked on the subscribe button, this is the time to do that because you don't want to miss any of our videos. Okay, so let's dive into today's business. Okay, so today we are making this box braid for ourselves. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how you can do this box braid on your hair by yourself. Okay, no heating, nothing, just seamlessly. Okay, so this is me. I just parted the front side. You first go down the back side, give that a part, and then give the box shape. Okay, you're literally going to feel it with your hand. Okay, as you part it with your comb, you will feel with the tip of your hand. Okay, for the tip I used rubber band to secure the root. Okay, when I part the box I use rubber band to secure the root. This is what I'm doing here, and then I kind of drag the hair so it will be firm. Okay, yeah, because you want it firm so your box lines will show very well. And then I use that wax, the wax gel, to kind of define the line. Yeah, wax gel helps the hairs not to be flying and obstructing your pattern. Okay, that's my baby girl there. She just came to say hello to the camera. Okay, so yeah, I just started braiding. I had already done my attachment. I just put them in the root and braid up. Look at it. Yeah, so I just braid up, and then yeah, I added more attachment because I felt it was short and it was ending. So if you want to extend the length of your attachment or extension, that is what you just do. This is what I'm doing, showing you clearly how I braid it from the root. Okay, and yeah, so yes, after securing the root I bring it sideways and then braid it all down. Okay, so besties, at this point, if you've not subscribed, you would want to do so. Okay, kindly click on the subscribe button. I want to have you in my family. Okay, in this channel we do three things. We share cooking videos, tutorials, cooking recipes, homemade recipes across the globe. Okay, not just the one you know or you think you know. Okay, we share all the recipes that are handy, okay, that you can do from the comfort of your home. Okay, and then second, we do fashion inspos. Okay, so the fashion inspiration is all about giving you tips on how to style your regular wardrobe outfits, the regular stuffs you have in your wardrobe. We're just gonna show you how you would style them properly. Okay, it's just the regular thing you know, but just giving you a clue how to match your colors, how to match your shoes, how to match your bags, how to match your tops, the one that goes with the bottoms, and the right trousers for the tops and all of that. And then thirdly, we do hair tutorials. Okay, so I share to you all how I style my natural hair. Okay, so this is one of it. When it comes to braiding, this is one of it. Okay, so you want to go check out all our videos and see all what we've got for you. But before then, click on the subscribe button. Look at how that hair is coming all night. Look at it. So I just left some part of the hair so I could coil it. Here I trimmed it, and after that I started coiling. I used the thread to secure it and then put it in hot water. Okay, and this is how it came out. So beautiful. Look at that hair. I got loads of compliments on this hair, and to tell you that no one would think you did this hair yourself, but yeah, you did it yourself. Okay, so click on the subscribe button. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.